If you're searching for a working Hostinger coupon code or Hostinger review, this quick video will save you time and money. Hostinger is currently offering discounts across all of its plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll unlock an additional 20% referral discount automatically during sign-up. In this Hostinger review, the big advantage is balance. You get speed, simplicity, and tools in one place, fast loading performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, so you can build a website without stress. And if the prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and choose your country. The pricing updates instantly. Hostinger is often seen as one of the best web hosting options available. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code and get the extra 20% off on all plans, tap the link below or scan the QR code.